Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to use PostGIS database in QGIS. As you know, PostGIS is an extension to PostgreSQL database, and it's a SQL database. So it works using SQL, which is structured query language. So when you want to include a feature into database, you need to uh, run some queries. So today I'm going to show which queries to use to add a feature or to update a feature. Okay, first I'm going to mention how to create a new table in our database. So the SQL query to create a new table is create table, and the name of the table here to store the Turkish caravanserais, I named it as Turk underscore Han, and ID serial. Serial is a data type which is incremental integer values. So every time you add a new feature into this table, there will be a new ID value. And common names of the caravanserais. So it's a 30 value character. Alternative names stores the alternative names of the Hans. Village, district, province, date. These are all character data types. And for reference, I used varchar, which is the length of the character can vary. So it adapts, the database adapts itself. And layer, and the geom, which stores the geometry, which is a point for this case. Okay. So as you know, I made another video to connect to a PostGIS database. So after you connect to the PostGIS database, we have two tables here that you can access: Iran Han and Turk Han, which is caravanserais of Iran and caravanserais of Turkey. So I take Turk Han, and it's this one. So let me remove this. Okay, you can take this, and it comes with its features. So after adding this, you can go to update SQL layer, and here you can create your queries and run them. So I'm going to show how to insert a new feature. So to insert a new Turkish Han, for example, you need to put this query, insert into the name of the table, which in this case is Turk Han, common names. So these are all the columns that we are going to, or all the values or variables that we are going to fill. Common names, alternative names, village, district, province, date, reference, layer, and the geometry. So we need to supply it with this order. So common name, so you will say values in single quotes, Alacan Caravanserai. So this is the common name. For alternative name, if I have nothing to put, you can put now, which means there is no value for this. And village, Alacahan, district, Kangal, province, Sivas, and date. In this case, dates are characters. So you can put this here. And reference, the reference of this Han. Here we supplied as null because there was no value. And this layer is who put the caravanserais or the initials of the person. And then for the geometry, there's a function that comes with PostGIS. So it's st underscore geom from awkt, and you supply the geographical reference system. So in this case 4326, and point, longitude and latitude. So if you insert this here. So let me copy paste this. Okay, here. So I will change these values so that I can show it changed. I will make some dummy Kervansaray, so it will be Özgün Kervansaray. So Maltepe. Let's put this Istanbul. 20. Okay, I will give some random latitudes and longitude. Okay, after I'm done with the query, you need to press execute, and it will create a new value. So to update some feature in the database, we need to first search and locate the feature. So there are ways of doing it, but here I will show one way of searching it with the name. So you put select asterisk from the name of the table. So this means find me all the entries from this table where common name is equal to Alacan Kervansaray. Okay, let's try this. And run this. And this one comes with the ID 4. So now I know that I want to change this feature with the ID 4. Okay, to update it, we have this query, update the name of the table, and say, for example, I want to change the geometry. So you can change anything, you can change any column or any value, but for this example, I'm going to change its geometry. So update the name of the table and the thing that I want to change, and where ID equals 4. So remember, I located my feature and its ID is 4, so I know that ID is 4. So this only changes the feature where the ID is 4. Okay, let's go here. And after you are done, you can select execute. And by this way, you can insert a new feature into your database. You can update the database, and you can even create a new table. Thank you.